The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, with a summit reaching 8,148 meters, 29,029 feet, above sea level. Here is your 10 highest points on Earth you don't it before. K2, Mount Godwin, Austin, Asia, Pakistan, China, 8,611 meters, 28,251 feet. Kangchenjunga, Asia, Nepal, India, 8,586 meters, 28,469 feet. Lhotse, Asia, Nepal, China, 8,516 meters, 27,940 feet. Makalu, Asia, Nepal, China, 8,485 meters, 27,838 feet. Cho Oyu, Asia, Nepal, China, 8,188 meters, 26,864 feet. Dhaulagiri I, Asia, Nepal, 8,167 meters, 26,1195 feet. Manaslu, Asia, Nepal, 863 meters, 26,781 feet. Nanga Parbat, Asia, Pakistan, 8,126 meters, 26,660 feet. Annapurna I, Asia, Nepal, 8,091 meters, 26,545 feet. Follow for more.